I'm going to do a quick video for you do-it-yourselfers at home on how to clean this nasty stuff off this battery cable terminal. But the catch is, even though we do this, we still have to take a battery terminal cleaner wire brush and clean it. So we still have to disconnect it and everything, but I just want to do a quick video on how to get all this crap out of your way before you start working on this. Okay, it's a little hard to do this holding the phone, but I'm just going to lay this on the battery. I always recommend putting a glove on because you're going to be patting this down. But you just saturate your paper towel really good with water. And remember, this is like 2 or 3 paper towels all folded up into a mat. See, it's more like a thick mat. Just take some cheap, regular, baking soda. Don't have to be top of the line. As soon as it hits this water, it's going to start activating. And just take it, and wrap it around your cable and tuck it. Kind of tuck it around. That's why you want to wear the glove. See how I kind of tucked it in, like we tuck in our beds on a winter night. And I'll be back with the results. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I usually let this go a little longer. Just pull it off. I'll throw it in the trash in a few minutes. Just get it out of my way. And just be really careful so this don't splash back on you. Start off slow. Go ahead and rinse the whole top of the battery. Push it on off. Like I said, this is just to get it out of your way so you can pull the terminal off, because you still need to clean in between the terminal. There's a film between the post and the terminal. This sure does make your life a lot better. And don't be afraid to get a little water all over the place, because you can't really hurt much right here. There you go. But I go ahead and spray more. Kind of just rinse it on down so it's not sitting on the car body or the frame or anything. And that's it. I'm going to keep spraying this for another minute.